Hello everyone. In this video, I have taken an example of a class and how to consolidate the attendance. Okay, so here you can see now the meeting is on, and I have the Google Meet attendance collector is there, and I can see that on the screen. I am refreshing the screen of the Google Meet attender collector and the attendance collector, where I can see the strength of the students in the class. Okay, now let me tell you how to make the attendance while taking the class itself. It is not necessary to take an extra time to make the attendance of the class. So what you have to do is just you have to create a Google sheet with the name and the register number, and then first prepare the full calendar for the month from date September 1 to 31, and then just mark every value as 1. Okay, all the attendance as 1, and then refresh the meeting. While refresh the meeting, you can see the order of the attendance of the students. Already in the last video I have explained why the students have to enter their name with the register number comma their name. So this is how the meeting content will be seen. If they enter their names with the register number, the 2-digit register number, and the name with the capital letter followed by the initials, this particular arrangement will help you to get the list of the students in the meeting in the ascending order. So it is easy for us to check the girls who are absent in the class. Okay, so now I am going to the meeting. Here you can see now 30 after 31 30 okay, so you can see, well, after 41 42 43 are absent. I can then check. Okay, so manually just you can note in a paper. After this 45 46 is absent, and then I can see after 47 48 is missing. So when the names are in the order, when the students log in this way, we are able to find out the order of the students. Also the number of students is 39 in the list. So I have to cross check the number of students in the attendance also. So initially I am marking for the September 2nd. I am showing you how to mark. Initially I have filled all the students as present by just dragging one to all the columns initially. Okay, now after checking the noting the students who are absent in the class in the attendance order in the Google Meet attendance collector, just I am marking, just I am copy pasting this 0 as the absent to all the absentees which I have noted in the paper now. So while the class is going on itself, we can make this updation so that we can save the timing of unnecessarily wasting the time after the class hours is over. Okay, you can also confirm the students who are not present at the class also by doing in the class time itself. Okay, so now I am just noted the value from the Google Meet attender, refreshing the screen. Now I am marking all the students who are absent to the class for the day, and then this thing goes until the end of the class. After that I have to just cross check whether I have marked everything correct. So again go back to the Google Meet attendance collector, that is our real meeting where it is going on. So go to the meeting and check whether the number of students what I have matched is the same. So now here 39 is the number of students, means including the teacher who is taking the class, then strength is 38. That means I should have posted 38 people in this for the 2nd September, and remaining 7 should be marked absent. So sorry, remaining 12, because it's a 50 strength of the class, 12 should be marked absent. So how to cross check the things? Just I am using the formula sum formula and adding all the values from the, you can see here the names start from the 3rd row and the 8th column. Okay, here it is the D th column, the day 1. Okay, so now D3 is the cell, starting cell, and I have to find out till the end of the student list, which is the D, same D column, but the column row is 52. Okay, so I have to sum up the values from D3 to D52, so that can be written by this way. You can see the formula for over there as I shown there. So sum of D3 colon D52, and if you close the bracket and enter, it will give the sum of the numbers. So now so this 44 is the class strength of September 1st. Now I have posted for the September 2nd. You can see here now it is 39, but here the sum is also 39, which means there is one mismatch here, because including the staff, that is 39, here it is already 39. So I should have marked one more girl as also absent. So I have to cross check again the Google Meet. So thoroughly go through 1 2 3 4 5, okay, this the order is there, so 5, so 6 is absent, I have marked it, and then 7, 8 is absent, I have marked it, then after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, everyone is present, okay. There's 18 is present 2 times, you can check it there, okay. So because of this number arrangement, everything is very visible. So 19 is absent, and then after 21 is absent, then 23 is absent. So likewise, by the order, I can just make a note in a bit of paper, and I can update this, and finally 33 and 34 are absent in this class, and then 30 after 35, 36, 37, and then I have to just check with the next student. 38, 9, everyone is present, okay. So 42 is absent here, and then I have to note it down. 42 and 43 absent, then 46 is absent, and then 48 is absent, finally 50 is also absent. So I have to cross check this. So 50 I have missed in the last time, so I have to just I am making it 50 is also absent. Now the student strength is 38, which is the matching with the Google Meet attendance. So that is 38 plus 1 myself, that's 39. So 38 is the strength for today. So by summing up this values of the day wise attendance, I am able to find out the number of students present in the class. This is simply the sum formula, adding the sum from that column to the other column, okay. So initially how to make it, let me show. This is the name list, and then click on the name list, and then create duplicate. So you can get one more column, and I removed the other unwanted things for this sheet, and then I have made the attendance for I am showing how to make the consolidation attendance. How I am copying the attendance from July attendance, okay. So July attendance, the attendance I have to copy, then August attendance is there, and I have to copy this. This is the August attendance, and I have marked as I told you the steps. So I have to go through this. So now to make the consolidation attendance, I have to copy the attendance from July and August, and I have posted to the consolidated. So I created one more sheet called consolidated attendance, where I have copied the name and register number from the copy of the name list, and I have to copy the July attendance. So just copy from there, and then just drag from the shift, and then drag till the end of the last student, and then copy the attendance for July and post it to the consolidated attendance. So we have to paste, you can just paste value is enough. So go to consolidated, and then click on this, and then paste special only the paste the values, that's it. So now I have just taken the July and the August attendance into the consolidation, and I have made the formula here just to sum up for the semester wise attendance, and I have just marked the full percentage attendance as with a different color using the conditional formatting. So hope this will be an easy method to consolidate the attendance for the semester, and thanks for watching.